Hey guys, what's up and welcome to LUC Editing. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really quick and simple and free thumbnail. So I'm just going to start by opening Fonto, clicking the camera item and choosing plain image. Then I'm just going to choose the plain white one. And for the purpose of the video, I'm going to choose 2048 by 2048, but you can use whatever size you want. You can also use a custom size. So once you've selected your size, you've entered in the measurements, you can just go ahead and click the share item and click use. So once you do that, you can just click anywhere and then click the add text and you can write whatever you want. I'm personally going to write how to because I'm going to create the thumbnail for this video. So obviously it's called Fonto, so there has to be fonts, and there are so many different fonts you can use. You'll see here, this is just a very brief example of so many of them, and you can download fonts, you can choose your favorite, but as you can see, my text is how to, and the font that I'm using is called Langdon, and I apologize if I'm pronouncing that wrong. And there's so many colors you can choose from, so you can kind of just experiment. Here I am, just kind of choosing the color to decide which one I want, and I sort of like a tealy color, so I think I'm going to go for that one. And then I'm going to click background, and I'm just going to choose the first purple, the lightest purple, and it's going to be that really cool background effect. So then I'm just going to kind of play around with the size and play around with how I tilt it. And because this probably took me about 15 minutes, and you obviously don't want to watch 15 minutes, so I just sped this up. And you'll see here, I'm just kind of putting it in different spots, but I'm kind of keeping the background text consistent. You can obviously do this however you want. So I'm just going to save this, and then the next thing I'm going to do is click add text again, so just by clicking and then add text. And then I'm going to write LUC Editing because obviously that is my channel name, and I'm going to click done. I already selected a new font and a new color. I will link down the font and the color below, but I'm just going to put it there, and then I'm going to click the little sidebar, and I'm going to select my photo just by clicking camera roll. Unfortunately, I could not show this, but I just decided to choose this emoji. So I'm going to kind of play around with the size, where I put it, and that's basically it. So I'm just going to save this, and I am ready to go. This is so simple, so easy, so quick, and it's free. So make sure to turn on notifications so you can be notified whenever I post, and thank you so much for watching,